Describing action, verbs and adverbs. Today we will talk about two parts of speech, verbs and adverbs. Parts of speech are the building blocks of sentences. Some parts of speech, like verbs and adverbs, are natural pairs. Let's find out how to use them and how they work together. 1. Verbs. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. Here are some examples. To run. To eat. To talk. To sleep. To read. A verb tells us what someone does. Verb tenses describe actions in the past, present, and future. Sometimes the verb form changes depending on who is doing the action. For example, in the present simple tense, a verb adds an S at the end for the third person singular, he, she, it. You can see this change below. I sleep at night. You sleep at night. The boy sleeps at night. The girl sleeps at night. The computer sleeps at night. We sleep at night. They sleep at night. 2. Adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb tells how, when, or where an action happens. To make an adverb, we often add an ly to the end of an adjective. Here is an example. The adjective quick becomes the adverb quickly. Adverbs describe how we do something. Adverbs usually come after verbs. Here are some examples. She runs quickly. He speaks slowly. 3. Let's sum up. A verb is an action word. Verb tenses describe actions in the past, present, and future. The form of the verb sometimes changes depending on who is doing the action. An adverb tells how, when, or where an action happens. To make an adverb, we often add an ly to the end of an adjective. Adverbs usually come after verbs. For example, she runs quickly. Thanks for listening to this short grammar moment on these two important parts of speech, verbs and adverbs.